What's going on? How y'all doing? Nolan and I are out and about. We just went and got our hairs did, got a haircut. We ate us some tacos. Didn't we? We had a good morning this morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. What's up?
Good morning.
All right, next we are gonna go shine up the truck. So we're gonna go to a car show later.
Yeah.
We're not gonna enter in the car show, but you know what? You can't roll up in there without a clean ride. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we are gonna head over there. We're gonna get this truck washed, and we're gonna get ready for the car show. So Scarlett is all cleaned up, ready to go. My helper went inside to get a little bit of rest. We're actually not in the car show, but you can't roll up to a car show and not be looking good. If you know what I mean. I'll be back. Alright, we're here. We're at Wonderland Malls of America in San Antonio, Texas for the 8th annual Father's Day Open Classic Car Show. Alright, y'all ready to go check out some cars? Woo! I'll see y'all later! Hey Nolan, come say hi to this guy. You been driving long? You got some cargo back there? Oh, got some precious cargo. But we'll see you later.
I want a Corvette so bad. I really do though.
You really want a Corvette?
I really do.
Time to get a job, a job.
Dad,
What?
I like that one.
You want which one?
The one.
The purple one? All right, go show me which one you want. Oh, you like that one, Nolan? Oh yeah? Well, just think, when you get 500 million subscribers, you could probably buy that.
Yeah.
So you think you should tell them they should probably like and subscribe?
Yes.
What about this purple one over here? You like that one?
I'll buy it.
You want to buy it?
Yeah.
Well, let's go find him. See if he'll sell it to you. How much money you have?
100.
You have 100? Let's go find him.
Couldn't you see me in that though?
And what, this?
In this, yes.
Hey babe, how you doing? Where are you going?
Jaeger bombs, Jaeger bombs, Jaeger bombs.
Alright Ashley, I know you're about to be 16. I wanted to surprise you with your first car. Let's take a look.
I've
1901
always
Ashley.
wanted one of these.
They're all in the front. They have them all in the front up there.
One of 12 built, one of 40 don't exist.
One of how many, Bill?
12.
Wow.
I only know 3 other ones that exist besides this one.
Dad, check this one out.
Which one? No. Which one? That one? Let's go see. Whoa. Holy Ashley. That's Scarlet. That's my truck, Ashley. What? Look how good that paint is, Nolan. We could wave to ourselves in that paint.
That's a hat.